Hello my friends, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make digital planners by using Canva and then upload them to Goodnotes. Okay, so now let's get started, and this is worth of trying. Okay, so as you can see, I have my Canva app right here and I have opened it. I will write digital planner. Yeah, there. Okay, and as you can see, there are many planners now here. You can just pick any of these you like. Like I will pick this one, beige color, brown and beige, like that. We'll open it, and I have just opened a planner. Okay, now if you want to do any edits, like change the page, like I really want to, because I really don't like it that much, so I can change it. Like, yeah, I can change it. There are daily planners, my planner for today, to-do list, daily planner, and there are many more options. These are really cute. I really love them. So some of them have this crown with pro. That means they are for pro people, like who do buy the pro numbers, but I'm not right now buying the pro one. So yes, I'm gonna look for something that is really interesting. This one actually, I think it's nice too. It has like yearly plan, monthly plan, weekly plan, daily plan, book review, movie list, dear diary. But I also think this one is also pretty, right? Let's see it. It has many pages, and I think it's the style I wanted. So yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Apply all 14 pages. Alright. Now I have this planner right here, and if you want to change the background of it or do something like that, you can do it. Like if you want to change the design or do something like that. Like if I want to change the background, I will go here and search for back. So now you will see all the backgrounds, and like I will go to graphics, and the graphics have been opened. You'll see many kinds of graphics here. Also football one, girl one, and arrow ones, liquidy ones, rainy ones. And you can pick one of this background. If you add colors, that's more better. But what kind of background will I like? I don't know. There are many options. Oh, this one's pretty. I think I will go with black, but then this isn't looking. I really don't know which one to pick. But this one, yes, I pick this one. Alright. I like it. It's plain, simple, and my style. And if I want to edit it, I can edit. Like, so for now, what I do is first I put them here, and I look for more. And if I find even more interesting one, I also put it here. And if I find more interesting one, I also put that one here. And then I choose which one will I put. This one is really nice, but not the one. This rainbow one is nice. There's so many options here. This one's nice, but I want to add something really beigey. I think this one's nice. Okay. So now how will you take it to the back? Like you don't want it here, you want it in the back. So you will go to these three dots, and you will go here to this one to this point where it said replace background. When you tap it, the background will be replaced. Wait. Let me see it. There you go. And now my background has been replaced. But now I think it's too plain. I'm a picky choicer, and I cannot choose really quickly. I need time to make choices. So yeah, this one back, this background, and then go here. Oh, this one's nice, guys. I think I like it. Yeah, it's really nice. I like it. Okay, I think I'm going with this one. And now, if you want, you can edit the inner pages as well, like these whole pages. I'm going to I don't want you can also delete pages if you like I don't want this one. So yeah, this is a monthly one, like November, December, that's why, but I still don't know why. Oh sorry, these are crazy thing. If you minus this, so look guys, I was thinking why are there 13 pages even though there's 12 months, but then I realized that there's an extra page up here, this one. Okay, so like you can change, but I think it's nice and perfect, but I'm still looking for a pink one. I'm a pink lover. Give me pink. Okay, we're gonna go to okay, now they're nice ones. Like I know which one to pick. Now it's easy to pick. I know this one. Yay. Pick. Set as background. I think it's really nice. I like this, so nobody can change my opinion. And now I'll do this with all of the pages. Okay, it's gonna take me a long time. So okay, now I have replaced all of my backgrounds of my planner, Now it's time to make my book's cover a little more my style. Yes. And pick it up and okay, this is going nowhere. Oh. Then you're gonna delete. We're back. Sorry. Now I can write it my way. What is my way? You know. So I'm also gonna pick one of these graphics and put them right here. This bow is really nice. So like I'm gonna put this bow like that, and one more of these bows like this one. Like I'm doing it like I'm scrapping. Let's see. You're still doing. I'm not a rushy person, so that's why. I think it's nice. Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on right now in this. It's so funny. I don't know why I want to laugh. And a mind changer as well. So I'm gonna keep doing a little more edits, and then we are going to write the name of our planner. So like our planner's name is Digital Planet. we are going up here, moving this, saying oh, I forgot. Yeah. Digital Planet. Okay, now we're going to text. Sorry. Okay, now we are going to text. So if you're wondering what I did, I actually changed it, so because I really don't want that one. So yeah, and I'm a mind changer. Okay, so now you can pick any of these. Like I don't know which one to pick. There's so many. I just don't know. Like I'm picking. Let's see. Coffee person on this one. I'm not saying thank you for shopping with us. I'm saying that. I'm gonna group and now I'm gonna write good time. I'm gonna write whatever, like I'm writing my beautiful planner. Okay, okie poke. And like I'm going to make it a little small. I'm gonna make it a little big. So now we're gonna keep editing, and after we will write our name of our planner, we're gonna go to the next part. And I think this is perfect. I don't need more. Okay, so I think I'm done. Even though they are green color, but I really think sometimes different colors also look pretty. So yeah, I'm done. Now what are we going to do is we're going to this share button, and then we're going to go to this download option, and I suggest you, even Canva will suggest you that you should do PDF, and you have to say alright, it's no problem, and download it. And as you can see, it's downloading. Since there are a lot of pages, that's why it's taking a little while, so we're going to wait. Okay, so as you can see, it has been downloaded, and when it will be downloaded, it will show you this little page right here, and there will be many options. You can copy it, you can save it, and you can, or just say okay bye, I'm going to my gallery where your photos are saved. But there's one more thing through which you can go to Goodnotes, and that is right here, open in Goodnotes. So this is like a little or a really big shortcut for me, I think. So I'm gonna tap the option open in Goodnotes, and voila, it will be imported. And when it will be imported, it will say you, do you want to name your document? And if you wanted to, you will just cut it out, and I will write my beautiful. Now what that? beautiful, beautiful planner. Okay, and then you will tap on this button which will be saying import as new document, and it has been imported and in your new workplace. Now you can write whatever you like. Which month is it? It is June, and May, June, yes. But so like in June, if I have any works here, I will write like if there is nobody's birthday coming up in this week, but nothing coming up in this week, but like you can circle like today. Todd. Who's Todd? I don't know Todd. I'm just showing you an example. And there's one more trick. Sometimes there is a big writing problem in our writings. So like if your writing is really beautiful but you still can't write on an iPad, so this is the trick for those people. Go to this option right here. It will come next to this T option, and then you can write wherever you like. If you go like this, whichever date you want, whatever date you want. Like I want 25, so I have 25 right here, and I will write upload. Wait. Like I will write upload video, like that. And then you can write wherever you like or something like that, and voila. Right. So like this you will make your first ever whatever kind of planner you're making. This is my second planner that I made. There's one more planner, and if you wanted to see that, I will also show you that. But this is how you make a planner. Oh no, I'm making my planner dirty. Like that. Let's go to home. Let me show you my first planner that I made was this one. It was also the same one, but it was a little bit different. But yeah, so yeah, this is how you make planners on Canva and then drag them to Goodnotes, or wherever you're going. You can also do it from Notability and also Noteful apps, like every note taking app. So for me, I think Goodnotes is really good app, And if you want it to also make my beautiful planner, sorry, not my beautiful planners, daily digital planners, you can also make your own. For now, bye, and tell me in the comments how you like the video, what should I improve, what should I make on next. But for now, bye. Thank you for watching.